What is the name of Thor's hammer? What is Spider-Man's real name? What is the real name of the Black Widow? Who is Tony Stark's AI assistant? Which character wields the shield made from vibranium? What is the name of the organization led by Nick Fury? In which movie did Black Panther first appear? Who is the villain in Doctor Strange? What is the name of the Asgardian realm? Who is the king of Wakanda? What is the name of Iron Man's wife? What is the name of Thor's sister?